In the first app, you already saw it, and throughout this course you will see it. Flutter by default embraces the material design system, the material design language. Material design looks like this, as an example, and it's a design system created and heavily used by Google. Now, it's not Google style for everyone though. It's highly customizable and works on iOS devices too, so you can also use it in your iOS apps. And whilst material design is built into Flutter, you also find Apple-style widgets in the Flutter framework which you can use. And in this course, I will show you both. I will show you how to build apps that look like the typical material design application. I will show you how to set up your own look, so neither material design, not iOS style, and I will also show you how you can get that iOS look with the so-called Cupertino widgets, which Flutter also offers. So here again, Flutter gives you full flexibility regarding how your app should look like, and in this course I'll cover all the different options and show you how you build different kinds of apps. For the majority, I'll use the built-in material design widgets, but you will learn how you could deviate from this as well.